Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing fine. So today I wanted to pour over this cute little styrofoam heart. I've never used styrofoam before and I thought let's do a little ring pour on it. I had some paint left over, so I thought just a cute little ring pour. So I'm just going to add my paints to this small cup. So I've got purple, blue, some silver. That's pretty thick. I had these paints left over from a previous pour. The only thing I'm not using is the white because it was an experiment and it didn't work. So I'm trying to use my normal white. Not sure if that's gonna work, but you know, let's try it. I'm not sure how much paint I'm going to need. So this is my little cup. I'm going to pour some gold over it first, just to, I guess, make it a little bit wet. I'm not even sure if it's ring pour is gonna work. So I just wanted to show you some love. That's why the heart. But let's see if we can do this. I'm probably gonna start here, go here and then there. Let's see if we can do this. I don't know if I actually have enough paint, but oh yeah, this is not gonna work. So I'm gonna let this drip a little bit and I'll come back to it in a little bit. Okay, so let's give it a little torch. Not getting too close because there's styrofoam underneath there. So I've got a feeling that this is going to change a little bit more because it's still dripping. And I'll show you the dry result. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye everyone.